Right here on the water's edge. Nothing too fancy, mind. Just the basics to get you started. Ooh, it's a bit nippy, but we'll still warm up. Now, the important thing is not to be afraid of the water.
I'm not afraid, Mama. Could we swim out to that island?